how to add charging animations on your Samsung phone. First of all, open settings on your Samsung phone. Click on modes and routines. Click on the plus icon on the top right corner. Click on add what will trigger this routine. Click on the search button and search for charging. Click on charging status and click on charging and click on done. Now click on add what this routine will do. Click on the search button and search for wallpaper. Click wallpaper. Click on change lock screen wallpaper. Now you can select any wallpaper or GIF from your gallery. For instance, I will select this one and then click on done. Now click on save on the bottom right corner and then click on done again on the bottom right corner. Now you can lock your phone. As you can see, this is my lock screen wallpaper right now. Now once I connect my phone with the charging, as you can see, the wallpaper has been changed. And that's simply how you can get charging animation on your Samsung. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.